What's up, every people? It's your boy, the TMax. I just arrived here in Puerto Rico. Last time I was here was in 2013. I came here with my parents on a cruise. We just stayed for a few hours. This time I'll stay here much longer, about 4 or 5 days. And I'm also meeting up with two of my best friends, two of my oldest friends. Our first trip that we ever took was 22 years ago. We went to Florida, to Disney World. And the most recent trip we took was 13 years ago. We went to Vegas. So it's been a long time coming. Looking forward to meeting up with these boys. Let's go.
Tim! Dwayne! Enrique! Without a single care. Tim says, remember that time in 99. Dwayne grins, we ruled like stars we shine. Enrique shouts, guys, this trip's overdue. All three yell, let's make it legendary too. And on the shoes, the waves crash near. Their voices loud, drowning out the beer. Every storm is bigger. Every laugh is quicker. Puerto Rico nights under neon skies. Old friends, no end.
Tomorrow.
Puerto Rico, let's go, let's go. The boys are back.
Yeah, exactly. This is the hotel, the coral thing. And we're in the Hostel thing in the penthouse.
It's meant to be.
Breakfast at the Hostel. Oh, it is raining. It is raining. Está lloviendo. No. All right. We're up early despite being out late. Yeah, this breakfast. What's up, man? How you feeling? Good, man. Hey, we know this guy. So what we doing today? All right.
Probably do Old San Juan. Take a tour. Just get to the city right here.
Puerto Rico, let's go, let's go. The boys are back, back. Feel the glow. Laugh so loud they shake the sea. This is how it's meant to be. Yeah, yeah.
Bro, there's no way. Like legit supposed to be 9 feet. I thought the sign was just like, exaggerating.
That is a big turtle.
El calor de la gente siempre encendido. Mofongo en la mesa, en el aire coquí cantando. El viejo San Juan, adoquines brillan cuando ando. El mar azul nos llama, horizonte se está abriendo. Aventura nos espera, con la isla nos estamos prendiendo. Isla del encanto donde todo es puro fuego. Vamos a bailar hasta que se esconda el cielo.
So you guys remember when we were in Colombia, we found out who the artist of this statue was. And remember, we also had seen it in Liechtenstein a couple months before that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description below. Find out who this artist is, and if you already know, leave a comment below.
No tail.
Saca la botella, ron que me da vida, la salsa en la esquina.
You might get fried chicken.
Somos los reyes de esta noche, todo está permitido.
Mofongo. You have to try mofongo when you come to Puerto Rico.
Donde todo es puro fuego, vamos a bailar hasta que se esconda el cielo. Del yunque a las calles, ritmo que nunca se apaga. Dwayne, Enrique y Tim, la isla nos llama y nos abraza. El yunque nos susurra secretos entre las hojas. Cascadas caen como sueños, todo aquí se despoja. Culebra y Vieques, paraíso que envidia el Caribe.
All right, Dwayne, you out here trying to film this turtle. Did you get it?
I got the turtle, but on the iPhone they do like live pictures. You long press it, it'll play live for like 3 seconds. For the first 2 seconds you see the turtle, but the actual shot of the turtle, he went under the water. Make me mad. I'm trying to holler at him.
All right, it's hot out here, so your boy's about to get some scooters. We're gonna scooter up. You ready to scooter, guys? I'm ready to scooter. Woo!
Tim's got the map folded wrong again. Wayne's loading snacks like we're feeding 10. Enrique's playlist is wild. It's weird, but it hits just right after all.
Look at those views. Hey guys, having fun?
Funny crash.
Look at that.
Go crash.
Oh yeah, whoa, you talking about me? Oh yeah, man. I almost hit that.
Oh, we don't meet often, but when we do, it's laughter, it's chaos, it's something true. 3 kids in a time machine.
So we just finished our little joyride. That thing was $13. And you got parking in a specific location. Maybe not worth it. We could have got one Uber for 13 and we had paid 13 a piece. So, but we here, we in Old Town.
But guess what? We in Puerto Rico! Turn up!
TMax says, hey, let's hit the cobblestones. Dwayne points up to El Morro strong. 6th century strong, still guarding the bay.
Hey, we're drinking some Puerto Rican Pitorro.
Blue bricks underfoot, the stories they hold, pirates and treasures.
Yeah, it was actually pretty good, yeah.
Old San Juan, we walk, we run. Beaches glow under the Puerto Rican sun. Mofongo, two stones, flavors so fine. History and rhythm in every line. Enrique shouts, look, that's La Fortaleza's gate. TMax says, wow, it's the governor's estate. Dwayne spots cats lounging in Castillo del Morro, whispering secrets of a past they borrow. Cali Fortaleza lights up at night, colors like rainbows are dazzling sight. Old San Juan, we walk, we run, we run. Beaches glow under the Puerto Rican sun. Mofongo, two stones, flavors so fine. History and rhythm in every line.
It's been amazing. Went to the Viejo San Juan, the Old San Juan in Puerto Rico. We over here now in El Morro. Got to taste some pitorro de coco. We got some pitorro de piña, y pitorro de tamarindo, y pitorro de fruta. So we having a great time getting to meet Old San Juan, getting to fellowship with the fellows, man. It's
Yeah, man, it's great out here. I think that something very different from being in something like this. I definitely need to get myself. Great. A lot of different things, a lot of new experiences, learning about the different people. I didn't know, like I said, Puerto Rico. It's been a great thing. It's a lot of different things, a lot of flavors, a lot of style, and you know, it's not perfect. Out here or something like that, but very much like to come back. I can't wait till tomorrow and Sunday and see what's going on. So I appreciate this opportunity and people being able to do it.
Old San Juan, we walk, we run. Beaches glow under the Puerto Rican sun. Mofongo, two stones, flavors so fine. History and rhythm in every line. Old San Juan, we walk, we run. Beaches glow under the Puerto Rican sun.
Okay, so because we're here in Puerto Rico, we definitely wanted to get some traditional Asian food. But it's gonna be good. We're gonna enjoy it.
The next day.
Okay, so since we've been here in Puerto Rico, we've been to a few gelaterias and the line's been out the door. Like, it's crazy. And we're like, this ice cream must be so amazing, but we don't want to wait in line. So today, we came early. We're gonna try this gelato, see how good it really is.
Waves crash, salt in the
So the flavor I'm trying out is called Cookie Man, El Hombre de Galleta. And let's give it a try and see how it tastes. It's like a chocolate chip caramel cookie. Good.
I got the mascarpone and cheesecake. Cheesecake is my favorite. Usually I get strawberry cheesecake, but they had caramel cheesecake here. I think I could have waited in that line for 30 minutes because it was amazing. But the thing is, $8 a person. And living in Brazil spoiled me because I paid $4 in Brazil for both of these. But it's good. You're gonna enjoy it. It's hot too.
Oh, they were 8 each.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Sand sticks to our laughing feet. Tacos al pastor, sweet plantain treat. Every step a rhythm. Every face.
We got a beach day with the fellas. Cheers, gentlemen. Enjoying our time here in Puerto Rico. What do you guys think of the beach so far?
A lot of nice water. Swimming. Lovely. I love you, son. Listening all the way. I just want to wave at him. I love it, man. I'm a beach baby. Love the scenery. Love the people, man. It's great and amazing. And I'm glad I got this dark sunglasses. In the whole country is shut down, so we're shutting down the restaurants. Hopefully not the bars, or maybe we could catch one last beer.
It's not the whole country, it's just the city center.
The city.
Yeah.
The city. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So since everything is closed, all the restaurants, we gonna get some Marcos. So apparently the Houston area people just eat it, right? Is it just Houston?
Whatever you said, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So y'all heard that I said he gonna give me $100 million, right? And he just agreed to it.
And when I get it.
El sol me abraza suave como un viejo amigo. Las calles de adoquines, un cuento sin testigo. Las murallas susurran historias del ayer. San Juan me llama, no me puedo perder. Los tambores resuenan en mi piel.
This is arepa with pernil. Pernil is Puerto Rican pork. And you got the arepa, the pernil, and cheese. You need one of these. You eat two, you're gonna sleep.
Con tu ritmo, tu sabor, tu magia sin igual. San Juan.
Bit of a rainy day, so we're kind of walking around, just going from cafe to cafe, just hanging out, chatting, have a good time.
La brisa en el balcón, las noches en la plaza, la risa en cada rincón. Bailamos bajo estrellas, la salsa es nuestro son. En San Juan, la vida tiene otro corazón.
Mofongo? Trifongo, yeah.
What you got?
Mine is combinación, so it's a combination. So you got pernil, arroz con gandule, plátano maduro, yellow plantain, and then on the side you got pasteles.
And I got empanadillas de pollo, chicken empanadas, chicken turnovers. Let's go.
Corazón, el viejo San Juan, sus colores vibran fuerte. La playa en Condado, donde siempre es buena suerte. El coqui canta dulce en la selva tropical.
Bro.
San Juan, mi encanto, donde el cielo se une al mar. San Juan, te canto, no te puedo olvidar. Con tu ritmo, tu sabor, tu magia sin igual.
Why
you gonna ask me some questions or do you want me to just freestyle? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, freestyle.
Okay. Yeah, man, this your boy Dwayne, man. We had an opportunity to spend the whole entire weekend with Tim, or TMax, as you guys know him, and my boy Enrique, man, out here in beautiful Puerto Rico. We had a great time. It's one of the best places I've been to in a long time. Beautiful beaches, beautiful buildings, beautiful scenery, a lot of great food. Just a really good overall time. Opportunity to stay in the hostel for the first time ever, and I would definitely be glad to do it again. I'm gonna try to bring my wife next time, but this is a great opportunity. If you've never been somewhere like this in America, it's a great chance for you to be able to come out and have a good time in a relatively small general area near San Juan. It's very great. So I want to thank Tim for inviting us out and having us out and showing us around and showing us all the different things in the area. And hopefully we can do this as we plan to every 2-3 years. Maybe next time we'll go somewhere very similar to the U.S. Virgin Islands or something like that. But thank you again, Tim. We appreciate it. And until next time, my guy.
I had an amazing trip. It's been a long time since we got together and fellowship together. But this is why these trips are important. Friendship is important. We got to rekindle a lot of the memories from back in the 90s and then create new memories today after we have some good mofongo. Hope you guys enjoy the content, the food, the culture. Like, Puerto Rico is an amazing country. Keep following TMax and keep following these adventures, because Tim, Dwayne, and Enrique are going to continue to do these things and create memories. It's awesome. As you hear the rain from Puerto Rico, yeah, it was a great experience. It was awesome. And we're going to do this again and again, so stay tuned for the next video when more adventures are to follow.
So this thunderstorm out here in Puerto Rico ain't no joke. This thunder and lightning is loud. So I saw the lightning, I thought the thunder was gonna follow, but it didn't happen. I'm messing up the whole video right now. Thank you very much, thunder. Like earlier, it was so loud that we were scared. We jumped out of our seats, and now it don't want to do that because I'm filming. So yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Have you been to Puerto Rico? What was your favorite thing about it? And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Epilogue.
Every upload steals the show. Laughs and thrills we guarantee. Come along and
Hey, what's up, everybody? Yeah, so Enrique made it out okay this morning. Dwayne had 3 different delays, so hopefully he's able to make his connecting flight. I hope he gets home today. I, on the other hand, my flight was just flat out canceled, so I had to reschedule for tomorrow. So I'm here a whole nother day, which is fine. So I'm just gonna hang out, probably try to find Calisthenics Park, edit some video, maybe get the drone back up since it rained the whole day yesterday. We'll see. But this time with my boys has been phenomenal. I mean, I spent like 5 times more than I normally would when I'm solo traveling, but to have had this time with them, I would have spent 100 times more. So it was totally worth it. Fellowshipping, we had some good food. It's cool because Enrique is Panamanian, so he can, bring that culture with him. And he's chopping it up with the Puerto Ricanos, and they're like, "Oh yeah, we do it like this, or we call it this," and it's just a lot of fun. I really enjoyed seeing them. I hope we can do this more often.
one click away from all the